Hello everyone and welcome to the vlog. Today's Friday, finally it's here and it's almost over. Okay, I've been running around all day just trying to get all my errands in, man. It's just been busy. So today's vlog is a little different. I'm not working on my Z. Actually, no, I already did work on it. Here's what I did to it. Enjoy it real quick. So this is what I got. New shift knob. I want to go ahead and install it and see how it looks. So this is the knob right here. This is what I broke. My OEM one, you guys remember when I did my clutch. And I got tired of driving with it. So I went ahead and got something that at least would be comfortable for my hand. Comes with 3 adapters. Comes with 1, 2, 3 different type of shifting diagrams. This is the one I need. And comes with 3 different colors you can put on top, I'm guessing. But I'm gonna stick to silver for now, I guess. Maybe, what do you guys think? Blue? It looks kind of cool. Maybe even gold. Let's just see how this all works. And there's no instruction manual. Oh, that's great. The shift knob, yeah, it feels good. It's like, what is it made out of? Let me see. It doesn't say, but it feels like it's aluminum almost. But I'm not sure. I don't want to mislead you guys. Yeah, I mean, I like it. It'll do for now. The ones they have online, quite a bit of options. The Fair Lady, the Nismo, but I just needed to get something for now because I can't stand that broken one anymore. 20 bucks at Pep Boys. It's cheap. So I wanted something that would feel comfortable, you know, for my hand, or place my hand on, and it feels fairly good. It feels nice. Not my favorite, but it feels pretty good because I had a Nismo shift knob in my 350Z. I like that one better. Of course, I looked around online. I haven't found a shift knob that got my attention, but I did talk to my friend Mark. He does all the 3D printing and machining. So we discussed about maybe designing me one, making a custom shift knob. That'd be kind of cool. It'll be a cool project. It'll be actually really fun to do. So maybe we'll design me a shift knob that I want. So that's that. Next topic I want to discuss. I want to talk about tomorrow's vlog. Why about tomorrow's vlog? Because it's going to be an exciting day. Oksana and I have bought a car today. Did I shake? Oksana and I have bought a car today. Bam! How about them news? How about them apples? Let me tell you a story. About 2 months ago, Oksana and I were driving to do our taxes. We were driving her 2013 Nissan Altima. And while we were going in and out of traffic, we got rear-ended. The car didn't get totaled. Still drivable. She's been driving ever since. But for past 2 months, we've been researching, checking out all the options that we have to get her a new car. We finally found a car that she likes. Wow. It took forever. I'm just happy we finally got it. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet. I'm not gonna reveal anything. I'm not gonna reveal the make and model, but I never owned that particular make. So I am excited. She's excited. We're both excited. Now this is the cool part. She's gonna participate with me tomorrow in making tomorrow's vlog. So both of us excited, driving to get Oksana's first car that she actually likes, and we're gonna see her reaction. We're gonna see how she's gonna feel, how she's gonna react to the whole car, and I'm excited. So we're gonna be going on a road trip. The car is located in Atlanta, so we're gonna pick it up tomorrow evening around, I think, 6 o'clock. We're gonna leave around 3 in the afternoon. Don't forget to watch tomorrow. It's gonna be awesome that Oksana's participating, so we haven't done a vlog together in a while. Okay guys, happy Friday, have a good day, have a good weekend, stay safe out there, don't do anything that I wouldn't do. I'm serious. I'm gonna say goodbye, I'm gonna stop by a car wash. Yeah, today's vlog is gonna be short and sweet. I'm just prepping you guys for probably Sunday release. Once again, have a good weekend, have a blessed weekend. I'm out. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.